So all of our pieces now have all the markings on them for what they require. And it's super important to make sure we've got them on all of the pieces. From here, the next thing that must happen is we need to go through and make sure that everything's connected and everything's correct. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out my placement. So I know that my 306, which is this board, goes at the back. So that's going to come through and that'll sit there and there. Then I know that because I want 1 to flow to 2 and 2 to flow to 3, I'm looking at this back arrow and 2's going this way, which means 1 would need to come down this side and go that way. So I've got 1 there and I've got 3 then going to come over here. Now from this, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just compare to make sure that my one's going to come through there like so. I'm going to make sure my pieces are marked up correctly. And what you're seeing here right away is, since I want that to be there, is there's actually an issue with how I've measured this up. So this means that this one is actually going to have to go this way, which is completely fine. It's just making sure we've got all the pieces correct. From here, to ensure that we're doing everything correct, I want you to draw, as you mark a side up, I want you to mark it with a number. So I'm going to mark this one with 1 and 1. And after you've marked that up, you can know that you've checked that edge. 1 and 1 you've checked. So then I can come up and I can check the other one of this one and come up and check, and I can say, hang on, is that where it needs to be? And it is. Then I can go 2, 2. And what that's allowing us to do is to lock in and be 100% certain that we've checked it all. Because if you haven't seen those numbers in the top corners, then you haven't done the right thing and you need to stop. What you're going to go do now is you're going to go around and you're going to check all of them. So 1 and 1 and 2 are done. So I can move those out of the way. But you'd come through now, you check. And you'd come through and you'd check these ones and you continue going around. Go through, be intentional, and make sure that everything lines up appropriate. See you guys in the next video.